The old wooden stairs creaked under Jane's feet as she descended into the dark basement. A single flickering light bulb illuminated the musty space. She walked past the shelves of dusty jars and boxes, searching for the fuse box to restore power to the house. Suddenly, a shadow darted across the far wall. Jane froze. "Hello?" she called out, her voice trembling. Silence. Then, a soft scraping sound emanated from the corner behind the furnace. Jane's heart raced as she inched closer, reaching out a shaky hand to pull aside a moldy tarp. Behind it, a figure lurched forward, its face hidden in darkness. Jane screamed and stumbled backwards, tripping over a loose board. As she scrambled to her feet, the figure loomed over her, raising a glinting object in its hand.